Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I'm out here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. It's 64 degrees out here today. It's a little cool breeze in the air. Real nice. But I felt like instead of working in the shop and doing this work, I'd take these amplifiers out here on my to my picnic table. And I got on my hoodie out of respect for the climate. Here I am. So I got my hoodie on here so I'd have some sleeves on as I work. All right. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm just gonna clean these amplifiers up. These nice Leslie amplifiers. Helicopter. Fort Bragg right there. Yes, sir, buddy. Fort Bragg is in my backyard. Fort Bragg is right over there. So, not too far from my backyard. And so those things fly over all day long. So anyway, so what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna clean these amps up. They're dusty. I bought them as is, of course. And then I'm gonna actually put these on the internet for sale. So they're all original. So right now these amplifiers are selling on, these types of amplifiers are selling on eBay for $699 plus shipping. But I'll probably put these up for sale, these 147s up for about $525 piece, and this 251 for $500. That's probably what I'll do. And right now, I mean, I'm telling you, man, you go try to buy a new Leslie amplifier. I've seen prices of at least on eBay, I've seen prices of $1,200 or more. I've seen one website selling new Leslie amps for $1,000. I contacted a company that sells new ones. He's charging $1,000. And that's brand new, even without tubes. So these things are just increasingly expensive. But the Lord spoke to me many years ago and told me to buy as many of these amplifiers as reasonably possible, in other words, as many as I could buy at the time. And I obeyed the voice of the Lord, because he knew that this day would come when there would be people out here that needed these but would be unable to find them easily at reasonable prices. So I have I have them in excess. I have more than I need, more than I can use right now. I'll need them some more in the future. In fact, I got about, somebody just contacted me, and I'm getting ready to buy 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 11 or 12 more amplifiers, 122s and 147s. So I'm constantly buying amplifiers. So as I buy some, I try to sell some to help others who don't have the connections and that I have. So I try to be a blessing as I'm blessed, I try to bless others. So that's what I'm here to do, because this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, and that's what I do. So let me get busy here and clean these things up before it starts raining out here. I'll come back with another video once I got them cleaned up so you can see what they look like. So you won't be saying, look at them dusty, all dirty and dusty. Look at that's how they came to me. They didn't come to me clean. And so I have to use my scrub bucket. See, I have to spend money. Buy me some scrubs and so forth. And I'll just take my time, my elbow grease, come out here and clean these things up. And then people want something. Give me stuff for free. They look at this stuff. Man, y'all, man, listen here. Talking about something for free. They don't come to me for free. And I can't give them away for no free. What's wrong? Psh, and get some common sense. Get some reasonable. Oh, listen to that. Let me get up off this thing. Y'all hear that? Oh, let me get up off this thing and get busy before it starts pouring down rain out here. Okay, till the next video. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace. G.